Oh bitch, I think I used too much of this mousse. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is literally like the worst possible like weather to be filming. I literally had like a really good freaking idea last night, right? And you know, I had this little pimple on the left side of my face that just so happened to be just as excited as I was for this video. What I'm going to do is get out in this drastic ass rain, and I'm gonna go to my local beauty supply store and I'm gonna pick up some Cantu product. The reason why I decided to do this is because I have like a me and cheap curly hair products, we have like a hate-hate relationship. You know, I don't like to buy them because they don't work on my hair, and they don't like me because I talk shit about them. So yeah, there was a lot of like rambling that I've been seeing in the natural hair community. Cantu has harmful ingredients. Some people like Cantu. I noticed a lot more of like type 4 people were saying that. Not to like categorize people or anything like that. That's not this type of video. I tried Cantu, this was like a year ago probably. I do have type 4 hair. I tried it. I didn't really like it. I just think my hair was like really greasy. The only thing I did actually like was that leave-in conditioner, and then I found out recently that that has like really harmful like alcohols and shit. But I've never like tried their styling products. So all these freaking years I've been like shitting on Cantu. Yeah, Cantu ain't shit. I only use one of their products. When in reality I haven't really used their line like that to really know for sure. I'm about to get ready, go down the street. I literally live like 2 minutes away from, you know, a beauty supply store. So I'm gonna go there, see what they have, and yeah. Bitch, it is raining so hard out here for like no freaking reason. And like out of all the days, it decides to be like my very first vlog. That may be a sign from God telling me to get my ass back in the house. Okay, y'all, this is their the men's collection. A lot of their products though, it's not like, it doesn't say anything like pertaining to curly hair. Twist and lock gel, don't need that. Don't need a custard. This is the curling cream. I thought they had like some curl activator. Here's a mousse. So I have the like the leave-in conditioner at home. So I'm not going to pick up too many products because I don't even use like a lot of product in my hair anyway. At least not anymore. I've tried this hydrating cream conditioner and y'all, I hate it. It smells like shit. So it looks like I'm getting a curl activating cream and then probably this mousse. So vlogging is literally so freaking fun. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. Oh, here's like a, ooh, what do y'all think about this? Moisture Seal Gel Oil. I'm gonna open it. It's got a really watery consistency. I don't think I'm gonna get that. I'm so funny with my gels, y'all. I think I'm gonna get this activator cream and this this wave whip. I think I'm going to get like a small bottle of Eco Styler gel, just in case this is like a fail midway through. But I think I'm gonna get this one, so I'm going to get the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And then I have this curl activating cream and this mousse. So these 3 products plus my my leave-in conditioner. Alright y'all, so I'm back. My hair got rained on. It looks like shit. So we're about to see if these products will make it look any better than what it does now. I'm going to do my little film setup. Probably going to switch lens to give it a more professional look. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I co-washed my hair. For those of you that are curious, this is like my 3rd time washing my hair this week. Of course, I did a braid out video. And then on top of that, I had to wash my hair 3 days ago for an interview that I had yesterday. One thing I noticed is that my hair looks different depending on the lighting that I'm in. And I noticed that my hair actually looks the best in natural lighting. Like my hair just has this dull look. Sometimes some of my videos, I noticed that. And it looks like completely different on like in real life or on an iPhone camera versus like my actual DSLR camera. And I find that really weird. So I'm trying to fix my lighting to present my hair in like the most realistic way as possible. I'm literally like reverse catfishing my own hair to you guys. But I'm going in with the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. This is the one with argan oil. Just to like clarify a couple things before some of you guys come for my neck in the comment section. This isn't like a video to like shit on, you know, Cantu and their hair products. I'm gonna be honest, I never really cared for Cantu products, but then again, I never really used their products like that. So to me, I didn't really think it was fair to, you know, have the opinion that I did. Now I'm using this curl activating cream. I kind of like this product, or the consistency of it. That doesn't mean it's like gonna work though. No, I actually like this. It's like really buttery. It's like gliding through my hair. My hair feels like really good. So I want you guys to comment below like your experience that you've had with Cantu. Did you like it? Did you hate it? What products did you use? How did you use them? No, I want to know everything. I want to know all the damn tea. Now I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel. I feel like my hair doesn't even need Eco Styler gel, but I don't know. I'm still feeling really iffy about Cantu because when I used their conditioner, I got so excited, right? Because I was like, ooh, I finally have a Cantu product, and you know, everyone loves Cantu. Cantu's supposed to be so good, y'all. I hated that conditioner so much, and I cannot say that about like any other conditioner. Just about everything works in my hair. I'm not gonna say like everything, but just about. It's very versatile. I can do multiple methods and my hair will still look presentable. It may not look good in my opinion, but it's not gonna look to the point where I feel as if my hair needs to be put up in a bun and not showcased out in public or anything like that. Honestly, I forgot where I was going with that. Like, I really do. Alright, now I'm going in with this mousse, and I'm just taking a little pump like that, and I'm just gonna scrunch this into my hair. Ooh, bitch, I think I used too much of this mousse. I've only used the mousse like 3 times in my hair. My most recent videos, you'll see me scrunching my ends a lot, and it is because I do need a trim, and the curls just start to get really loose, and so I kind of have to manipulate my hair to make them like plump, if you will. So my technique basically changes all the time. I don't know if you guys have noticed that in a lot of my curly hair routines, it's almost like a different technique with each curly hair routine, and that is because my hair, it gets used to the same thing, and my results do vary. I'm not gonna lie, my hair does not turn out the same each time. So I had the leave-in, and now I'm just going in with the curl activating cream. Yeah, I really like this activating cream. I'm trying not to use too much just because I know Cantu products will leave my hair greasy. Now I'm going in with some more Eco Styler gel. Okay, so the back section of my hair is done. Now what I'm going to do is I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some more mousse to the whole head of my hair. Probably gonna blow dry. I really feel like diffusing. I really do, but I'm not. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and this is shit. Nah, I'm playing. Okay, so my hair actually feels really good. It's like so freaking soft, y'all. My hair is really soft. It has a lot of like bounce to it. Has a lot of life for first day hair. Now, what I was talking about earlier and how my hair is prone to like greasiness. My hair is a little bit greasy. Actually, after I got done blow drying my hair, I had to like wipe my face off. When my hair was dripping in my face, I had to wipe my face off because my face was starting to get a little oily. And I have naturally oily skin too, so oily hair and oily skin, not a good combination. Cantu leave-in, I know that contributed to my hair being a little bit oily because it doesn't matter what I use with that product, it doesn't matter how much I use, my hair always has a little bit of an oily feel to it. I do think that was one of the main contributors to my hair being really soft. The curl activator, I feel like that was the MVP. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not taking these products back, y'all. I like these products. Am I crazy about them? No, I'm not. I'm definitely gonna use the curl activating cream in future videos. If you guys see like another updated curly hair routine like 2 months from now and that curl activating cream is one of the products I use, do not be surprised. But yeah, that's this video, guys. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you already know the drill. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Don't forget to comment your experience that you had with Cantu, whether you liked it or not. And yeah, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys will be notified for all of my posts. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.